All right, everybody, welcome back. So you saw the last video, we picked these up, but now here comes the tricky part. Now we loaded this up with a forklift, which is very handy, but sometimes considered primitive in some areas, but still very handy. So what are we gonna do to unload it here? I got a Kubota wheel tractor, yada yada. Well, no. I believe that dump trailer weighs 4,400 pounds, give or take, something like that. We gotta lift that up, put the tires, wheels back on it. First, if you didn't notice, it's a little smoky out here. I had to run to town this morning already, and this truck was closest to out. She's slightly heavy. We got a little bit of towing weight, which is just barely enough, to be honest with you. The way the load distributed on this thing. Get this trailer off there and go up and surprise Dad with his new little trailer. First, we got to get her unloaded. All right, this should make life a little bit easier for unloading it. I'm just going to lift the trailer up with the whatever thingy up on top of it still attached, and just go from there. How about that? Yeah. All those extra tie downs I know helped a bunch from, not letting it move. But now I got to take all those off. There's 6,500 of them. Hoping this all works out. Leaving that up there because I could just snatch that up with a skid steer and I don't have to dink around with her right now. Leave her tied down. Talking about the deck on the neck. That is supposed to be for the Diamond C dump trailer. They didn't have room for the shipment when I bought the trailer, so it came later on. It's been sitting there for a while. So thank you, Dave, for holding on to it. Let's just get this thing tied down. I'm going to get the bucket off there, so hopefully I can lift this. It's a 45,000 pound machine. We better lift it. A couple years back, when getting the new log truck set up, I went up to Oregon and got the dolly, which weighed like 6,500 pounds. And, well, this thing kind of had trouble lifting it. I think the bucket might have been on it back then, so I'm going to take that off. This thing shouldn't have trouble lifting it. Definitely shouldn't. Considering the Mechalec can lift this, but it's not here. Treat ourselves with a little bit of an outrigger. Each one of these straps is rated for 5,000 pounds. So let's just use one strap. You untied? Looks okay. We'll find out. Almost got ahead of myself right there. This particular model dump trailer has got a spot for a bolt to go right there to lock the dump box down. So you can actually, lift from it. Yep, we're gonna need that. One tie down up there didn't seem trustworthy. Well, what do you think? Should we give it a shot? hard part's done. Thing's gonna slowly bleed off, but I'm not gonna, you know, leave it hanging like that if it was over my truck. But I'm gonna go ahead and throw the impact on, tires and wheels combo, do some stuff. Wouldn't recommend. Terrible NASCAR pit crew right here. At least the Milwaukee makes up for it. I'll come back later. I seen you guys make fun of me there for full lugging it, but I did the star pattern. Time crunch before it bleeds off. Earlier when I made that NASCAR joke and then I proceeded to say Milwaukee's good. I'm not saying they're bad. This was a fully charged battery and it's not a knockoff. Milwaukee. I got 3 tires tightened down. What is that? 24 lug nuts. We still got another 8 to go. We already got a dead battery. It died. Just died. What in the deal? Slow me down, Milwaukee. You sped me up, but then you slowed me down. Wow. I think that battery is juked from the beginning. This is actually an Amazon knockoff I just swapped over to. Way more solid. Now, if this was the Milwaukee battery that I just got rid of, it would say 3 bars instead of 4. Oh, 4 bars. We're good. All right, let's get this deck on the neck off there. I got the skid steer sitting right there. Should make quick work out of it. This is factory Skechers lug nut box. It's real nice. That is a full detailed review video on this Ed trailer. See how this thing computes for my liking. But it seems like every brand except for that TNT I had, the barn doors don't open far enough. That TNT, I didn't modify or nothing, but they would stow good enough that you could actually travel down the road. Say you're hauling something that stuck out the back. These things, they don't. But they have a pretty nice little securement. Well, don't fall, you son of a gun. Back up into a hot rod either. There we go. Easiest unload. I had to strap it, but whatever. All right, guys, that was successful. I'm glad that happened without any issues. You know, some projects like this they can go rough. Tried to do it as safe as possible by myself. No matter what you do, there's always a little bit of risk, but we made it happen. Full video coming on this. Gonna go take this to Dad's house right now, surprise him with it. Full details on it there, and then same thing when I get around to the dump trailer. I have full detail videos on both of these. Yeah, I know, it's an Ed brand, it's not a Diamond C. It's because well, this one's not going to be fully mine, so I didn't want to spend a whole bunch of money on something that I'm going to be loaning out. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Stay safe out there. Definitely I couldn't have done this if all I had for a tractor was a wheelbarrow. So work within your means. Stay safe out there. Later.